Hi everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about how to download JDK 24 in Windows. So first we have to search for Java 24, then we have to click on this first link. Then here we can see different type of JDK version like JDK 24, 23, 21 and so on. So we are going to download JDK 24 for Windows. So we have to click on Windows section. Okay, so I'm going to download exe file, executable file for JDK. So I've already downloaded, so I'm not going to re-download it. So installation process for JDK is same as normal software installation process. So we have to just click on next, next, and next. Next. So this is the default path for JDK installation. If you want to change, then you can change it. So it will take hardly 1 minute for installation. Yes, so installation is completed. So after installation, we need to check our JDK installation is successful or not. For that, we need to press Windows R and type cmd. You have to type Java C. Yes, so we are getting this list of command which is our JDK installation is successful. So now we can check the install Java version. Java hyphen version. So this is our current JDK version, which is the 24. Okay. So in next video we will talk about how to write first Java program. Thank you. Stay tuned for more videos.